youyeetoo X1 is an x86 architecture, single-board computer launched by youyeetoo tech company, able to run full-featured versions of Windows and Linux, low-cost, high-performance. This tutorial will show you step-by-step how to configure youyeetoo X1 network connection. When the network card is not used, the development board cannot connect to the network. As you can see, we cannot successfully ping youyeetoo.com. First, open youyeetoo official website. Click on the accessories option. Enter the introduction about the use of RTLA82-CE. RTLA82-CE is a wireless network card chip. Its function is to provide a wireless network connection function for a computer or laptop. It can communicate with routers or wireless network devices through wireless signals. Realize wireless internet function. The tutorial on the official website allows us to easily master its network configuration. We take out the accessory RTLA82-CE module, place it according to the direction in the video and insert it into place. Then press the booster antenna into the IPEX port. The built-in antenna can help to improve the efficiency of signal reception and transmission, thereby improving the stability and performance of wireless network connections. After making a network connection, try to ping Baidu again. You can see that you have successfully connected to the internet.